I think it's really important to drill down to the concepts of how I'm making the decisions, how I'm finding the information, and being realistic. Look, not everybody is going to be able to just know every single key or command that has ever been created, especially some of this AWS stuff I never used in my entire life. Um, but I, I have been a software engineer for long enough to basically figure it out. So what I want to do, I want to go through my process of how I do a solution. So the first thing is I need to look up how do I get this template. Now, what AWS has done, they've created a .NET tool. Now, if you're not familiar with .NET tools, you can actually build .NET tools yourself, and then those are basically can end up being templates that other or steps or executable steps that other people execute, and then you can publish it in .NET tools. So what Amazon has done, they've created a tool to install their templates. Now I think what I'm going to do, I am going to install this tool, but of course I've already installed it. And then what you need to learn about really is .NET New. And then instead of just telling you how I'm going to find it, once I get the Amazon tools, I need to install the templates. And that's actually here, .NET New templates. Okay. And it installs a bunch of templates. Now, which one to use? That requires a bit of research and then experimenting. But through my experimentation, I found that the serverless ASP.NET Core Web API was actually the best template for me. Now, other people may choose the minimal one, which is the minimal APIs, but I actually don't believe in minimal APIs. I believe that having that structure actually helps you in the long run. And because I don't want to build it myself, I want to work it. So one of the things that I recommend is to when you create a project initially, to create it in such a way with your client's name as the namespace, the specific project that you're talking about, and the future. So let's just talk about how or what I'm being contracted to do first. But first, I think we should at least look at the the syntax here, which is to get the template going is going to be client name, right? Like I said, let's do it. Okay, client name, project, and feature. So the client is called landing pad. The project is called rates, and the feature is rate changes. Okay, so we're gonna create it on the sample folder. Okay, and now I'm gonna stop sharing, and then we'll explore a little bit what was created in the next video. And finally, we'll start going over the requirements, exactly how they were given to me. And then from those requirements, how I'm going to craft a solution.